Morning students. Students, again we are continue with our map work related to chapter number 5, minerals and energy resources. Okay students. Students, yesterday we have discussed the map work related to coal fields and coal mines. Okay, I have given you the information about coal fields and coal mines, and today in this video we are going to learn about oil fields in our India. Okay, that we will discuss that in which state is a particular oil field is located. Okay, but before discussing oil fields, you should know about oil fields. So we will read some lines related to oil fields. Okay, so let me read. Students, see this page. Okay, petroleum. Okay, we all know that petroleum is included in oil field. Petroleum, we all know about petroleum and we all are aware about the value of petroleum. Okay students, petroleum or mineral oil is the next major energy source in India after coal. It provides fuel for heating and lighting. Okay, we all know about it that petroleum provides fuel for heat and lighting, lubricants for machinery and raw materials for a number of manufacturing industries. Even petroleum refineries act as a nodal industry for synthetic textile, fertilizer also, and numerous chemical industries also. Okay. Now we will discuss about the important places related to petroleum. Students, you know Mumbai High, Gujarat, and Assam. These are major petroleum production areas in our India. I am repeating, Mumbai High, okay, our Gujarat also, and our Assam state. These areas are major petroleum production areas in our India. Okay, students, Ankleshwar is the most important field of Gujarat. Okay, Ankleshwar, what's the name? Ankleshwar is the most important field of Gujarat, and Assam is the oldest oil producing state of India. Assam is the oldest oil producing state of India. Digboy, Naharkatia, and Moran Hujri Jan are the important oil fields in the state. Okay students, it means, I am repeating, Assam is the oldest oil producing state of India, and Digboy, Naharkatia, okay, these are also located in Assam. Digboy, Naharkatia, and Moran Hujri Jan are the important oil fields in the state. It means these are the important oil fields located in the state Assam. Okay. Students, now we will discuss about our map work. Okay. Students, see. This is the map of our India, and in this map we will discuss about the oil fields in our India. Okay, so at first I am taking our northern states. Like at first I am taking our Haryana. Okay, so in Haryana we have Sonipat and Gurugram. We have Sonipat and Gurugram. In Sonipat as well as in Gurugram we have oil fields. Okay, Gurugram, and you know the old name of this district was Gurgaon, and latest it is known by Gurugram. And you know our capital city Delhi. Okay, Delhi also have oil fields. And now we will discuss about Uttar Pradesh. Okay, in Uttar Pradesh we have Sahibabad, Babrala. Okay students, you know this red color circle is equal to oil field. Okay, and Onla, and Shahjahanpur, and Jagdishpur is also also major important oil field located in Uttar Pradesh, and Aurea is another important oil field located in Uttar Pradesh. So these are important oil fields located in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, total we have six major oil fields in Uttar Pradesh. Okay students, I am repeating once again: Sahibabad number 1, Babrela number 2, Onla number 3, Shahjahanpur number 4, Aurea number 5, and Jagdishpur number 6. Okay, so as a conclusion we can feel that in Uttar Pradesh we also have many oil fields located in Uttar Pradesh. Now we will see our Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, we have a major oil field named as Enta. What's the name? Enta. Okay. Now we will see our Madhya Pradesh. Okay, students. In Madhya Pradesh, we have Jhabua. Okay. Jhabua is an important oil field located in Madhya Pradesh, and Vijaypur is also an another important oil field located in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, students. So in Madhya Pradesh we have two major oil fields, Jhabua and Vijaypur. Okay. Now we will take our Gujarat. Okay, and students, you know, our Gujarat is also a rich country in the reference of the location of oil fields. Major, we have four oil fields: Kalol, Vadodara we have in Gujarat, Ankleshwar is also located in Gujarat, and Hazira is also located in Gujarat. So these are the major popular oil fields in Gujarat. Total 4. Kalol number 1, Vadodara number 2, Ankleshwar number 3, and Hazira number 4. Students, now we will take our Maharashtra. Okay, so in Maharashtra, in Arabian Sea, we have Mumbai High, and we all know about the fact that Mumbai High is very rich in the production of our petroleum. And Bassein we also have. Okay, Bassein we have in Arabian Sea, and we have Mumbai High. Okay, students, we have discussed all these states, like we have discussed about Haryana, we have discussed about Uttar Pradesh, we have discussed about Rajasthan as well as Gujarat also, and we have also discussed about Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra also. Now we will discuss about northeastern states. Okay, just see the location of oil fields in our northeastern states. In northeastern states, now only I have discussed that Assam is the oldest oil producing state. Okay, so in Assam we have Digboy and Naharkatia. Okay, students, Digboy, you can see this is our Digboy located in Assam, and this one is our Naharkatia, okay, located in the Assam state, and Moran, it is also located in Assam. So these are, again I am repeating, Digboy, Naharkatia and Moran. These are major important oil producing places located in Assam. Okay. So students, this was the discussion about the location of oil fields in our India. Okay, students, so just locate all these places related to oil fields. Okay, just locate all these places in your map, and after that you have to paste the map in your geography notebook. Okay, students, in my next video we will discuss about major natural gas reserves as well as HVJ natural gas pipeline. Okay, students, thank you, students, have a good day.